Let's see how to share files with clients in MBA. First, add a client. Let's create a user account for this client. So, using this user current email address, the client can log into MBA from his phone or PC and send the files. Scan time depends on how often a client can send files. So, select an appropriate scan type. Fill in the contact information. And select the service. A separate folder will be created for each service. Now let's see how to view received client files. Go to Document Manager. Select the client. And you can see the files sent by the client in the inbox. Let's see how to send files to clients. Let's send the financial statement to this client. So, select the FS folder. Add the files. And upload. Let's also send a T2 summary. Select the T2 folder. Add the files. Upload. You can also send files directly from the local computer. Just add the files to the respective client folders to share. Let's see how a client views the send files from his phone. Let's see the financial statement we sent in the FS folder. And it's here. Let's also see the T2 summary in T2 folder. Yes, it's here. Let's see how to manage staff. Add the staff. Create a user account for the staff using email address. Fill in the name, password, phone number. And now select the clients which the staff can monitor. And sharing files with MBA is easier than ever.